have finally achieved 400 subscribers. Let's go! What a nice way of ending the year. Anyways, one of my interesting New Year's resolution of 2024 was to reach a subscriber count of 350, and let's just say we've added 50 more to that goal. And what a new way of ending the year by, having 400 subscribers. This video is to thank you guys, mostly about, every single help we've been provided to this channel, and to let you know some of the coolest stuff I've learned about creating videos on YouTube, and then the whole thing of being a content creator on YouTube. So let's get cracking. So in this video, I want to go ahead and tell you mostly like 3 things that I've learned about the YouTube world and all part of being a content creator, because I know a lot of you out there, most of the time, we even want to create videos, but then you do not know where to start from and what to even expect in the first place. One is the game of value. The game of value on YouTube means providing something that literally people would like to watch. Like something which won't be like meaningless to their mind. For example, think about this for the first time. Your first entire video on YouTube is about you vlogging about how you make a cup of coffee in the morning. I mean, you just came out here on YouTube and you're doing vlogs of your personal life that probably people don't even want to care about. Mainly what I mean by value on YouTube is, one, the amount of time you spend into ideation and scripting your videos. The amount of time you spend scripting and finding ideas is exactly most of the time you should spend most of the time anything about it. At some points, creating a script by itself feels like, or it's like an extra work, like creating a video by itself, if you know what I mean. Because scripting is the hardest part, because you might go with days with an entire unedited script, and also you might create a script and figure that the script is only 2 minutes long. It has happened to me a lot of times where I would spend like so much time writing stuff and then realize that reading is actually more faster than writing. The second thing about this part is how you shoot your videos, and I don't mean shooting videos with a professional camera or professional equipment. You do not need any of those to start a YouTube channel or like even be better at YouTube. But at some points, one of my biggest videos that I really love, even though it didn't go well, but then I know that thing was really amazing. I was literally using my phone, shooting and also, editing the cuts. I was using CapCut still. I didn't switch it over to a computer and, start editing using a computer. And that was a nice video. Go check it out. I'll probably put it in somewhere up there. One more last thing is the editing when it comes to value you're bringing to the YouTube community, which exactly is the key part. The way you edit your videos, how cuts are maintained. Mr. Beast himself has literally mentioned this kind of stuff. Every single time that you're creating a video and there's a lot of cuts and people are literally paying attention to every single thing you're saying, that video has a very, very long retention rate, because people are not willing to cut off the video or even get out of the video because they are hooked in. They really want to know what's coming up. And our mind are always looking for stuff which are really, really dynamic and always providing some sort of excitement at some point. So many cuts means many entertaining facts. Maybe it might not be very entertaining, but then it's more dynamic to our eyes, and do not want to click off the video. And now the part which is always interesting is, after editing the video and putting all the stuff together, is now the quality. Because, man, hear me out. You might write 100 scripts, one of the best amazing scripts, shoot crap videos or crappy, shots, or use even stock footage which has nothing to do with your video or your script, and also edit your video by putting as many cuts as possible, but then not that interesting or even relate to what you're saying. One more thing that YouTube is all about is the quality of what you are posting around. And I'm not talking about, movie type of quality. This goes hand in hand with providing value to what you're literally doing. Because sometimes you get to feel that one of the best videos that you've probably created on YouTube might end up going viral, which is not true. They've created a ton of 100 of good videos on YouTube, which has never ended up going viral. And my initial thought was that they could literally end up going viral. Definitely at some points, YouTube exactly knows how to tell if a video is good or worthy of being pushed to another group of audience, because YouTube is about algorithms, let's be honest. And if certain type of people like literally love the video and he does really, really well, then YouTube pushes it outside. But then don't think that if we go on and spend weeks on a video and make sure you add in all the good color grades and make it like a movie, like, don't even think that video will go over at some points, because YouTube may end up surprising you, and the video you thought that was crap goes viral, and the video you thought were super good didn't go viral. Because what pleases us is not like literally what pleases other people when I think about it. Because you're not creating video for yourself, you're creating videos for the rest of the entire world. This factor feeds the last part that I'm going to talk about, which is consistency. If you literally edit something that you don't like at all, that might end up being one of the most troublesome things. Think about it for a sec. You are a doctor, you do not like blood at all, and all you do is just surgeries. Every single time you think about going to work, you're like, oh my God, this is just not happening for me. And at some points of your life, I'm seeing you saying, oh my God, this is not what I signed up for. So let me just, go do something that I really like. That right there explains what you should be doing to your YouTube channel if you are like considering, going into the YouTube world. One of the best things is to literally do something that you really like. For me, I've decided to do travel vlogs and lifestyles and podcasts because, I talk a lot. I travel sometimes because of my work, and I decided to use that opportunity to, create videos for you guys and make, the greatest contents ever. So to keep up with the consistency every single time, look at something that you really like, something that you like really participate in, means a lot into your life, and just create videos about that. And then keep being consistent with YouTube. Consistency is the key to everything. Just be consistent and wait for your time to shine. I never knew that I'll probably hit 400 subscribers by the end of the year. Good thing, and I'm really happy for being here, and I hope everything that I've probably shared here will literally help you. Just always remember, YouTube is a game of value, YouTube is a game of quality, and YouTube is also a game of consistency. Just be consistent at whatever you are doing, even in life, literally. When you do work and you don't provide any value, or don't give any value to your coworkers or employees, or you're literally an employer and you're not giving value to whoever you are, like literally employing, that means nothing. Quality work, with an amazing stuff, and putting up every single day, putting the consistency and maintaining all the two things that I've just mentioned before. So other than that, thank you for being part of this. Thank you for helping me out for reaching 400 subscribers. That was really amazing. Let me catch you guys in another one. Ciao, ciao.